So Murchana Samskara is the third Samskara of Parada. So here the name only indicates that after this Samskara, Mercury attains Murchita Avastha. So Murchita Avastha means, so here it will lose its Dravatva and Chanchalatva. The main qualities of the Mercury are the liquidity and the fickleness. As you know, it is a liquidity and the fickleness. So here in the name only it is mentioned that Murchana Samskara means after this Samskara, Mercury, it will loses its liquidity and Dravatva. That is the Dravatva and Chanchalatva. Clear? So it will attain just like a paste form. Yes, so that's what here in this procedure it will attain as it attains the Murchita Avastha. So that's what the Samskara is named as Murchana Samskara of Parada. So this is the third Samskara of Parada. So remember in Paribhasha Prakarana we have discussed regarding the Jarana Karma and Murchana Karma, isn't it? So Jarana Karma means so Dhrutagrasa Kshayeva Jarana. So that is different. And Murchana Karma means Murchitvam Haratihi Vyadihi. After Murchana Karma, it will attain one particular disease curing property. So the Murchana Karma is different, which we discussed in Paribhasha Prakarana. So here, this is Murchana Samskara. Clear? So Murchana Karma is different, Murchana Samskara is different. Murchana Karma is done to induce one particular disease curing property in the Mercury. But Murchana Samskara is totally different from Murchana Karma. Clear? So Murchana Karma is, or Murchana Samskara is, it is a third Samskara of Parada. So the Nirukti of Murchana Samskara as quoted in Rasaratna Samuchaya, 8th chapter, 64th shloka. Mardhanadishta Beshejaihi Nashta Pishtatva Karakam Tat Murchanam Hi Vangadi Bhuja Kanchuka Nashanam. So here the main word related with Murchana Samskara is Nashta Pishta Karaka. So Nashta Pishta Karaka means here the Mercury loses its Dravatva Chanchalatva. Clear? So that is a Parada becomes Murchita. So that's what they have used the word Nashta Pistatva. Nashta Pishta Rupa means it is a losing the Dravatva Chanchalatva. So while writing Murchana Samskara, please concentrate on this word Nashta Pistatva Karakam Tat Murchanam Hi Vangadi Bhuja Kanchuka Nashanam. So for the same reference, Murchana Samskara in Rasendra Chodamani, so the shloka reference is Mardadishta Beshajaihi Nashta Pishtatva Karakam Tat Murchanam Samproktam Sarva Dosha Vinashanam. So instead of Vangadi or Kanchuka Nashana, in Rasa Chodamani, it is mentioned as Sarva Dosha Vinashana. Clear? So here the instrument required is same as Mardana Samskara, that is Tapta Kalvayantra. Clear? So same as Mardana Samskara, in Murchana Samskara also Tapta Kalvayantra is used. And the ingredients used for Murchana Samskara are, so the first one is Mardita Parada. So in previous Samskara, so where we mentioned it as Swedita Parada. So here, as it is a continuation process of Mardana Samskara, so that's what in Murchana Samskara, the Parada used is Mardita Parada, one part. Then the remaining all ingredients are taken 1/16th part. So the remaining ingredients required for Murchana Samskara are Grita Kumari Rasa, Trifla, Churna, Chitrakamola, Churna. Okay. Clear? So ingredients are Kumari, that is a aloe vera, Trifla and Chitraka Mola. Then the duration is 7 times Mardana in each. So in Kumari, 7 times Mardana Kriya, in Trifla, 7 times Mardana, and in Chitraka Mola, 7 times Mardana by adding Kanji. Okay, by adding Kanji. So here, Dravadravya used is Kanji. Clear? So all these three are taken in 1/16th part. So duration is 7 times Mardana or till it will lose its Swarupa, that is Swarupa Nashana, or till it attains the Pishta Rupa, till it loses its Drapatvan Chanchala. Clear? Then the Paschat Karma. So here the necessity of Kumari, Trifula and Chitrakamula is, so especially Ghruta Kumari, it helps to remove its Maladosha of Parada. It helps to remove all the impurities from the Parada. Trifula Churna mainly helps to remove the Vanhi dosha, the Tikshnata and Ushnata of Parada. And Chitrakamula, it helps to remove the Visha dosha of Parada. So that's what these three ingredients are recommended for Murchana Samskara. Then some Paschat Karma is, so after Murchana Samskara, there will be no any Paschat Karma. So remember, in Paschat Karma of Murchana Samskara, directly it is subjected to Uttapana Samskara to regain the mercury. Clear? To regain the mercury, again it is subjected to Uttapana Samskara. So in Murchana Samskara, as it loses its Dravatva and Chanchalatva, and it will attain the Pishta Rupa, to regain the original mercury, again it is subjected to next Samskara, that is Uttapana Samskara. Okay, so sorry, I am added Paschat Karma over here. So it is by mistakenly I have added this. So for Murchana Samskara, there will be no any Paschat Karma. Clear? So once it attains the Pishta Rupa, directly it is subjected to fourth Samskara, that is the Uttapana Samskara, to regain the mercury, the original mercury, or to induce its Dravatvan Chanchala. Clear? So in Murchana Samskara, so directly Paschat Karma is, it is subjected to Uttapana Samskara. And the Samskara Phala for Murchana Samskara is, that is a Trivida Dosha Nashanam, that is a Naisargika, Yaugika and Aupadika Dosha. So that's what in Rasendra Chodamani he has used the word Sarva Dosha Vinashanam. And even Samskara Phala is Kanchuka Dosha Nashanam. Even it helps to remove the Saptakanchuka dosha. The Saptakanchuka doshas are Parpati, Patini, Bedi, Dravi, Malakari, Andakari, Tata, Dvamshi. And even here you can consider that Trivida dosha Nashanam means, so here it helps to remove Vishadosha, Vanhi dosha and Mala dosha of Parada. So as it is mentioned in Shloka that Tat Murchanam hi Vari Dvibhuja Kanchuka Nashanam. So here it helps to remove all sorts of impurities. So remember, Murchana Samskara is mainly intended to remove its Dravatva, Chanchalatva from the Parada.